Hello guys, take our all-steel open type rivet as an example. We will make 4 types of routine tests. The first step is to test rivet dimensions. The body diameter is 4.77 and 4.79 millimeters. The body length is 12.35 and 12.29 millimeters. The head diameter is 9.46 and 9.53 millimeters. The head thickness is 1.66 and 1.74 millimeters. The mandrel diameter is 2.9 and 2.9 millimeters. The mandrel protrusion is 30.33 and 30.74 millimeters. The second is the riveting test. We used workpieces with 2 kinds of thicknesses of 6.0 millimeters and 8.0 millimeters. And you can see the riveting performance is very good and the mandrel breaks in proper position, meanwhile the body undergoes uniform deformation. Next we will go on with mandrel breaking force test. The rivet mandrel will break with the fixture displacement. And you can see the breaking force result of the first rivet is 6,359 newtons. Next is the test of the second rivet. The result is 6,339 newtons. Finally, we will test tensile and shear of our rivet. We prepared 2 fixtures with thickness of 3 mm for each. We use riveting tool to set the rivet on the test fixture and put it into tension machine. Then, we press the button. The machine is applying 2 opposite forces till the rivet is broken. Now we are doing the first test. The result is 4,241 newtons. And then go on second test. Our standard tensile strength for rivet is minimum 2,920 newtons. The result is 4,211 newtons. After that, we continue to put the fixture into the machine and press the button. Let it exert horizontally 2 opposite forces to the rivet until it is broken. Now we are doing the first test. The result is 3,327 newtons. And then go on second test. Our standard shear force is minimum 2,300 newtons. The result is 3,300 newtons. We have finished all tests. Thank you for watching this video.